Hello everyone, welcome to all of you in CBC Competitive School, Kaimur, Mohania, Bihar. My name is Zakir Jafri and I am the teacher of Physics, J-Mains and Advanced. Now today we are present here to debate of physics. First of all, I have to explain name of each participant. First of all, what's your name?
Myself Prasant Pal from class 10.
You?
Myself Prince Kumar from class 10.
Okay.
Myself Sachavan from class 10.
Okay. You?
Myself Shreya Ranjan from class 10.
Okay. You?
Myself Divyanshu from class 10.
You?
Rohit from class 10. Nishan Kumar from class 10.
My name is Aryan Maurya from class 10.
Okay. I think all of you have been informed about that. Today is the day of debate, physics debate. Okay, let's start. Okay. There is three rounds as we have been on the screen. Part 1, part 2 and part 2. Part 3. We have three parts. And they call also round 1, round 2, round 3. There are some questions in round 1, round 2 or also in round 3. They contain here three chapters of 10th class. Electricity, light and human. So let's start. Table number 1. Table number 1. This question for you. Question is, how does the frequency of a beam of ultraviolet light change when it goes from air into glass?
There is no change in the frequency
Why?
because the ultraviolet in air to glass there is a change of only speed.
Anybody? Okay, explain it.
Because the light is emitted from the same source. Here source is not changed, so frequency is constant.
Yes. Because the frequency depends only on source. Okay? That's why whenever the light goes from one medium to another medium, then frequency remains unchanged. What? The speed change. Due to change in different reflective index. Okay. Table number 2. This question for you. Distinguish between convex and concave mirror.
Convex mirror is inside the mirror polished. Convex mirror is inside the mirror inside the surface is convex mirror inside the surface is polished and outside surface is reflected. And concave mirror is outside the surface is polished and inside the surface is reflected.
Anybody? Yes.
Convex mirror is the part of the spherical mirror, and it bends inwards through which the image can perform. And in concave mirror, it is also a part of spherical mirror, and its object distance is negative. And in convex
Okay,
mirror,
Both concave and convex mirror are the part of a spherical mirror. Both mirror have two sides, inward and outward. In convex mirror, the inward side is polished, but the outward side is not polished. It is reflecting. But if we see in concave mirror, it also have both inward and outward side. The outward side of concave mirror is polished, but the inward side is reflecting. Generally, in due to sign convention, in concave mirror, the focal length is negative, and the convex mirror focal length is positive.
Okay. As we know that a spherical mirror have two surfaces, bent in surface and bent out surface. If the bent in surface is polished, then bent out surface becomes reflecting. If we polish bent out surface, then bent in surface becomes reflecting. On the basis of this, we have to define convex and concave mirror. Okay, good. Now table number 3. Your question is that give the ratio of velocities of light rays of wavelength 4000 angstrom and 8000 angstrom in vacuum. क्वेश्चन को मैं कंप्लीट कर रहा हूँ, आगे आपको यहाँ पर पढ़ना है इन वैक्यूम. गिव द रेशियो ऑफ वेलोसिटीज ऑफ लाइट रेज ऑफ वेवलेंथ 4000 angstrom and 8000 angstrom in vacuum. You have pen or paper. Each and every solve. Each and every.
Sir, 1:2.
Yes?
1:2.
Okay. This is question for table number 3. Anybody? Yes.
Sir, 1:1.
1 ratio?
1.
Anybody? You go with him. Okay. 1:2. Okay. Anybody from audience? Yes? 1:2. Okay. Okay, you are right. The answer is 1:1 because the speed of light in vacuum is same for every kind of wavelength. Because light ray is a electromagnetic wave and speed in vacuum is same. 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. That's why the ratio is becomes 1:1. Table number 4, Mr. Prasad. Question is, magnification produced by a concave mirror of a body 4 centimeter in size is 0.16. What is the size of image?
Zero point 0.64 centimeter.
0.64
64 centimeter.
centimeter. Okay. Anybody? Table number 5. Table number 5.
Yes, sir. सही है 0.64 centimeter.
Answer is right.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Answer is right. Because the formula is magnification.
Magnification of mirror in terms of height of image and height of object is HI upon HO.
माइक नहीं बोलिए, ठीक है? माइक नहीं बोलिए. Good. Question 5. Take a note. Question number 5. For table number 5. What is the focal length of a concave lens of power 2D? What is the focal length of concave lens of power -2 diopter?
So मेरा है ना
Table number 5 आप है?
minus 50 centimeter.
Minus
50 centimeter.
50 centimeter. Which formula you have to use to find the focal length?
Generally we use power to obtain power P is equal to 1 upon F.
1 upon F
1 upon focal length in meter.
in meter and centimeter.
And centimeter we divide the focal length with 100, means multiply the reciprocal of focal length with 100.
Okay. Good. Table number 6. The image formed by concave mirror is observed to be virtual, erect and larger than the object where is the object be placed? The image formed by a concave mirror is observed to be virtual, erect, larger than the object. Where is the object placed?
Between F and P.
Between
F and P. Focus. Pole and focus.
pole and
Focus.
focus. I think this is not the case in case of concave mirror. In which case it is virtual, direct and larger than object. Okay, nice answer. Question number 7 for table number 7. A concave mirror forms sharp image of a distant tree. What is the separation between the mirror and the screen called? Concave mirror forms sharp image of a distant tree. What is the separation between the mirror and the screen called? You don't know about the answer. Anybody? Okay.
Radius of curvature.
Anybody?
Center of curvature.
Center curvature. Anybody?
Radius of curvature.
Center of curvature.
Yes. Anmol.
Imagine that imagine that
Distance. Number 2. Image distance. Okay. The mirror is concave and the object is free, which is at a huge distance. Means free may be at infinity. Then the image will be formed at. When object is at infinity, then image will form at focus. Means the separation between mirror and screen may be image distance or it is called as focal length. What? Focal length, or may be called as image distance. So image distance is the correct answer, or focal length is also. Sit down. Question number 8. A spherical mirror for table number 8. A spherical mirror and a thin spherical lens have each of focal length minus 15 centimeter. The mirror and lens are likely to be. एक लेंस है, एक मिरर है और दोनों का फोकल लेंथ -15 है, तो बताइए दोनों मिरर और लेंस क्या हो सकते हैं? कॉन्केव होंगे या कॉन्वेक्स होंगे? टेबल नंबर 8.
लेंस होगा सर.
दोनों बोथ आर नहीं, ये तो क्वेश्चन ही नहीं है. एक मिरर है, एक लेंस है और दोनों, एक मिरर और लेंस की फोकल लेंथ -15 सेंटीमीटर है. तो आपको बताना है दोनों कॉन्केव नेचर के होंगे, दोनों कॉन्वेक्स नेचर के होंगे.
सर कॉन्केव.
दोनों
कॉन्केव नेचर.
कॉन्केव नेचर के होंगे. दिस इज राइट आंसर. Table number 1. The magnification produced by a plane mirror is +1. What does this mean?
It means that the distance between image from the mirror is equal to the distance between object from the mirror, and also the height of a object is equal to the height of image.
Yes. Means, as we know that in case of mirror, the formula of magnification is minus EB upon U. And here magnification is 1 means B is equal to U means HI is equal to HO. Okay. Table number 2. Question is that the refractive index of dense flint glass is 1.65 and for alcohol it is 1.36 with respect to air. What is the refractive index of dense flint glass with respect to alcohol? Table. Have you got the answer? Give reply. You want to reply or not?
1.15. 1.15.
1.1.
1.1.
Anybody? Yes, Prasad.
1.213.
1.213.
213.
This answer is correct. 1.21 approximately. Okay, this answer is correct. Table number 3. This question for you. Draw a ray diagram to show position, nature of the image formed when an object is placed between focus and pole of a concave mirror.
Behind the mirror.
Yes. This is the position of image. Okay.
Nature of image real and inverted.
Real and
Virtual and virtual and erect.
anybody? Yes.
Behind the mirror, erect. Or the nature of image virtual and erect. Larger than
Virtual
the
and erect and larger than the
Okay.
object. This is the case whenever we have to put an object between focus and pole. Okay? Then image always formed behind the mirror. Table number 4. Whatever may be the position of the object, the image appears to be erect. Give the nature of the mirror with reason.
In case of concave mirror, if the object is placed between focus and pole, then the nature of the image will be erect. But in case of convex mirror, wherever we can put the object, all the image will be formed, that is virtual and erect.
What's your answer? Give me answer.
Virtual nature. Virtual.
Question is that whatever make the position of object means object की position कुछ भी हो, the image appears to be erect or image erect you. Give the nature of mirror with reason. There is one word answer.
मिरर का नाम बताना है.
Of course.
Convex.
What context? Lens.
Convex mirror.
You have to give complete reply. Okay. This the answer is convex mirror. And as we know that in case of convex mirror, whenever the object is put anywhere, then the nature of image will be virtual and erect. Table number 5. This question for you. A convex lens has a focal length of 40 centimeters. Calculate its power.
It's 2.5 diopter.
2.5
Diopter.
diopter. Very good. Table number 6. This question is for you. Table number 6. A convex mirror used on an automobile has a focal length of 3 meters. If a vehicle behind is at a distance of 5 meters, find the location of the image. Table number 6.
Seven 7.5 meters.
7.5
5 meters.
meters. Anybody? Yes.
1.2.
1.2. Yes.
1.8 meter.
1.
8 meter.
Okay, you have to come and solve it. Let me change the color.
यहाँ फोकल लेंथ दिया हुआ है और ये कॉन्वेक्स ले रहा है फोकल लेंथ पॉजिटिव होगा 3 मीटर और व्हीकल बिहाइंड इज एट डिस्टेंस ऑफ 5 मीटर
अगर बात करेंगे तो बाहर निकल सकता मतलब मैं बाहर निकलूंगा दोबारा मैं तुम्हारी दूसरी बात करते हैं
ऑब्जेक्ट है 5 मीटर डिस्टेंस पे तो उसको ऑब्जेक्ट नजर आना होता है अभी हम लोग फाइंड करना है 5 मीटर
Okay. Nice answer. Very good. Okay, table number 7 for you. You are given kerosene and ये तरपुलिन ने लिखा हुआ गलत लिखा है तरपुलिन एंड वाटर इन विच ऑफ दीज डज द लाइट ट्रेवल फास्टेस्ट गिव रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडाइसेस ऑफ केरोसिन तरपुलिन एंड वाटर आर दिस एंड दिस इन विच मीडियम
Sir, water.
what
Water.
water is the correct answer what I want also reason
Sir, because the refractive index of water is less than the kerosene and
tarpaulin
terpene, then this is
okay. Nice answer. Table number 8. Table number 8. An object is placed at a distance of 25 cm from the pole of a spherical mirror, which forms a real inverted image on the same side of object at 37.5 cm from the pole. Calculate the focal length of mirror and find nature of the mirror. Table number 8. Table number 8. Please reply.
minus 37.5.
Minus 30.
7.5.
Minus 37.5. Focal length. Anybody? Okay.
minus 75 centimeter.
Minus
75.
minus 75 centimeter. Anybody? Yes, Mr. Komal.
minus 15.
Minus 15 centimeter. This is correct answer. Minus 15 centimeter. Okay. Your answer is also okay. Table number 1. This question is for you. An object is kept in front of a concave mirror of focal length 15 centimeter. The image formed is 3 times the size of object. Calculate 2 possible distance of the object from the mirror. This is very nice question. Table number 1. Table number 1.
The first possible distance is u equal to minus 10. Pen. नहीं.
How many students have been done it? Good. Yes, reply about the second answer. Okay, time up. Anybody? Yes, Mr. Bittu.
The first section is minus 10 centimeter, second 22.5. Second 22.5 centimeter.
22.5 centimeter. Anybody with that? Yes, Mr. Anmol.
First is minus
Minus 10.
और सेकंड है minus 20.
Minus 20. Yes, this is the correct answer. Minus 10 centimeter and minus 20 centimeter. As you know that in case of concave mirror there are only 2 cases possible. Whenever the size of image is enlarged. One is where object is placed between focus and pole, and second is when object is placed between focus and center curvature. One case the nature of image is virtual, and in second case the nature of image will be real. Table number 2. An object 3 cm height placed at a distance of 20 cm in front of a convex lens of focal length 12 cm. Find the position, nature and size of the image. Do fast. Table number 2. Thank you. Table number 2. Give reply. Time up. Anybody? Yes. Siraranjan.
B is 30 centimeter and
Yes.
and the height of image is 4.5 and nature and size is real and inverted.
Nature is
Real and inverted.
real and inverted. Okay. Correct answer. Table number 3. This question for you. An object 5 centimeter high is placed 20 centimeter in front of a concave mirror of focal length 10 centimeter. At what distance from the mirror should I screen be placed to obtain a sharp image? Table number 3.
B बराबर minus 60.
B is equal to minus 60. Okay. Okay. 60, the is correct. Okay, table number 4. State Snell's law of refraction of light.
Snell's law states that sin I upon sin R will be constant. Means here sin of angle of incident with respect to sin, so sin of angle of reflection will always be constant.
No. Anybody? Yes.
Snell's law states that the ratio of sine of angle of incident with respect to the sine of angle of refraction is constant and can be calculated to constant and maybe refractive index. Can be refractive index.
Anybody? Anybody? Snell's law. Anybody want to explain or define it? Snell's law. No one. Okay. It is simply ratio sine of angle of incident to the sine of angle of refraction. And this ratio is always constant. And particularly this constant is always equal to refractive index of media by which the light has been refracted. Okay? Second question is that for table number 4. A transparent medium A floats on another transparent medium B where a ray of light travels obliquely from A into B. The reflected ray bends away from the normal, which the two media A and B is optically denser and wide.
Here, medium A will be optically denser
Yes.
because when the light will travel from A to B, then it moves away from the normal, and it shows that medium B is optically rare in respect to medium A.
Medium A. Because as you know that when light travels from denser to rarer, then it bends away from the normal. Okay, good answer. Table number 5. This is for you. A convex lens has a focal length of 30 cm. Calculate at what distance should be the object placed from lens so that it forms an image at 60 cm on the other side of the lens. Find magnification produced by the lens in the case.
लखनऊ के पायो
Sir,
पायो
sir, the object distance should be minus 60 centimeter from the lens,
Okay.
and the magnification produced is 1.
1.
1.
Okay. Anybody? Anybody? Yes.
Distance minus 20 centimeter.
Okay.
Magnification to
2. Anybody else? Yes, you.
Magnification equal to minus 1 and object distance is minus 50.
Yes. This is the answer. Magnification is -1 and image distance is -. Very good reply. This question for you. And you have to mistake in magnification. Focal length is 30 and image is at 60. Means the object will be at center curvature. Then magnification will be negative because the image function is real. Question number 22 for table number 7. Sorry, 6. Draw the ray diagram in each case to show the position and nature of the image formed when the object is placed. You have to draw only in one case. As the center of curvature of a concave mirror. Please come at the board. Draw. All of you also draw on your copy. No problem. You have to do like that. Okay? Okay, good reply. Is the correct answer? For table number 7, please come. Draw ray diagram. Then the object is placed between pole and focus of a concave mirror.
Clean.
Please do it fast. Okay. As we know that wherever the object is placed between pole and focus, the image will form behind the mirror. That is only the case when the nature of image is virtual and direct. Okay, table number 8. Table number 8. No will talk. Okay. For table number 8. Table number 8. You have to state. Question number 23 for table number 8. Draw a diagram to show the formation of a 3 times magnified real and second is virtual image of an object kept in front of a converging lens. Mark the position of object as 2FO and position of image already in the diagram. An object of size 5 cm is kept at a distance of 25 cm front the optical center of converging lens of focal length 10 cm. Calculate the distance of image from the lens and size of the face.
ऐसा रात में हम मच्छरदानी की व्यवस्था करें, है ना?
Okay. Table number 8, please do it fast. How many students have been solved it? Table number 8. Please give reply. Okay, time up. Anybody want to give answer? Yes, Kirananjan.
Distance of image is 16.6
16.6. Distance of image.
from
Okay,
from the and size is 3.3.
size 3.3. You have to solve it on board. Okay, come. Question is that draw a ray diagram to show the formation of a 3 times magnified image. 3 times means magnification has been given. For real image, magnification will be negative, and for virtual image, magnification will be positive. You have to find the position of image with this formula only. Yes or not? Why you do that? Draw a ray diagram to show the formation of 3 times magnified real image and virtual image also. Kept in front of a converging lens, mark the position of object F2FO and position of the image already in the diagram. An object of size 5 cm is kept at a distance of 25 cm. Then you have to find the position of image in 2 cases, for real and virtual. Yes? हाँ हाँ, तो यहाँ पर यूज नहीं करना था, डायरेक्ट वहां से निकाल सकते थे. टेबल नंबर 2. Table number 2. Define center of curvature, pole of a concave mirror. Table number 2. Ask. Yes.
The center of curvature of a mirror is सर सभी मिरर को बताना है.
center curvature only.
On a principal axis, behind the focal length, center of curvature is
Anybody?
and
Yes.
Center of curvature is defined as the center of aperture from which the lens or mirror is engraved, and pole of concave mirror is defined as a pole of concave mirror is is lie on the midpoint of concave mirror.
Yes.
On the mirror.
Or center of the curvature. Yes, very good. Table number 3. Write the mirror formula and its definition on your copy. First, write the mirror formula and its magnification formula. Mirror formula is 1 upon f is equal to 1 over b plus 1 over u, and the magnification formula is minus b over u is equal to hi over ho. Correct. Okay, table number 4. This is for you. A y of height 1 meter in front of a convex mirror. His distance from the mirror is equal to its focal length. What's the height of image?
So infinite.
What?
Infinite.
Infinite. Anybody? Yes. 1
meter.
Anybody other? Question is very simple. A y of height 1 meter. Stand in front of convex mirror. Convex mirror. His distance from the mirror is equal to its focal length. What is the height of his image? Yes, Mr. Anmol.
Half meter.
Half meter. This is the correct answer. Very good. Table number 5. An object of 2 cm is placed in front of a convex lens of focal length 20 cm. The image formed by inverted. Find position of image. Its size of image is 3 cm.
So minus 1.5.
Minus?
Minus 1.5 centimeter.
Okay. Anybody? Yes, Mr. Prasad.
Position of image is 50 centimeter.
What?
50 centimeter.
50 centimeter. Anybody other? Yes?
Minus uh, 10 centimeter.
Minus 10 centimeter. Mr. Prasad, can you solve? Okay, come. Okay. Solve it. Okay. Is this answer possible? Because he says the image formed by inverted, and inverted image is always real, and the magnification for real image negative, and the magnification is positive. And we also know the lens, convex lens, which covers the position of image is negative. Your answer is 6.67. You have to solve it. For inverted image, HI will be positive or negative? Height of image negative. Question number 27. Prove that in a spherical mirror, magnification is also equal to M is equal to F over F minus U. For table number 5. Table number 5. Please do it fast. Do it fast.
अनमोल सर एनीवन बोले तो तुम खड़ा होकर भी जवाब नहीं दे रहा है यार। अभी बोले नहीं एनीवन तो कहाँ तुम खड़ा हुआ?
सर उसमें से
कहीं इधर से बोले थे एनीवन बाबू,
हो जाएगा।
अभी थोड़े दो तीन क्वेश्चन तो आए।
Table number 5. Please do it fast. Anybody? Yes, come. Here. Yes. F is focal length and U is object distance. Okay.
मनोज जी लैब में लीजिए। मनोज जी आप लैब में लीजिए।
Okay, nice solution. Very good. Table number 6. An object is placed at a distance of 12 cm from a concave mirror of radius of curvature 16 cm. Find the position of image. Table number 6.
एग्जाम में रहना।
एग्जाम हो रहा है बोला
आप इसमें नहीं है।
यहाँ पर नहीं नीचे
तो यहाँ कौन है?
यहाँ पर कोई नहीं
अरे तो आपको सोचना चाहिए कि बजरंगी में तो हमारे इसके लिए।
-24 centimeter.
Yes, correct answer. Table number 7. An object is placed on the principal axis of the concave lens at a distance of 20 cm from it. If the focal length of the lens is also 20 cm, find the location of the image.
-10 centimeter.
Minus?
-10 centimeter.
Minus 10 centimeter. Anybody from audience? Same. Very good. Next question for table number 8. Light traveling in a medium with velocity 3 into 10 over 8 meter per second is refracted into the second medium which it travels with velocity 2 into 10 over 8 meter per second. What is the refractive index of second medium?
1.5.
1.5. Okay. Table number 1. The image obtained with a convex lens, is erect and its length is 3 times the length of the object. If focal length of the lens is 15 cm, calculate the distance of image formed. Then first, please do it fast.
बैटरी खराब हो गई, कमजोर हो गई।
Minus 30 centimeter. Anybody? Okay, good. Question number 2. When an object is placed at a distance of 0.60 meter from a convex spherical mirror, magnification produced is 1/2. Where should the object be placed to get magnification of 1/3?
सुन रहा है विशु आपका तो अवेलेबल नहीं है पानी हम उसको बुलाते हैं तो उसको नाम है सब वाइब्रेशन बोल
Table number 2.
ट्रांसफर सेविंग्स 30%. बैटरी का
Table number 2. Give reply.
सर सवा 3 तक रखा जाए आधा घंटा
हाँ?
ठीक है ना
Anybody? Yes, Mr. Prasad.
minus 0.9 meter.
Anybody? Yes.
minus 0.12 meter.
Minus
0.12 meter.
0.12 meter. From audience? Yes.
0.9 meter.
खड़ा हो बोलो
Minus 0.9.
You.
Sir,
0.12.
minus 2.
Minus में. This the distance in centimeter is 60. In centimeter, 60 centimeter. And the second answer, whenever we want to get the magnification number 3, then the correct answer in centimeter is 120 and in meter is 1.2. Your answer is correct, but I think there is decimal mistake. The correct answer is 1.2 meter, negative, because the object distance is always negative. Okay, table number 3. A convex lens of focal length 0.12 meter produces an image which is 3 times as long as the object. Find the distance between object and the lens for a real image. Table number 3.
Minus 4. Minus 4.
Anybody? Yes, Prasad.
8 centimeter.
From audience? Yes.
We will do minus 8 centimeter and maintain will be 16 centimeter.
Yes. Minus
8 and 16.
16 centimeter. This is the correct answer. Okay, table number 4. This is for you. Question is very good. A square wire of side 3 centimeter is placed 25 centimeter away from a concave mirror of focal length 10 centimeter. What is the area enclosed by the edge of the wire? Given the center of the wire is on the axis of the mirror with the two sides normal to the axis. Question is very good. Table number 4.
Which circle? यहाँ नहीं होगा ना, टेस्ट होगा ना? ठीक।
Table number 4. Okay, time up. Anybody?
तो मिक्स में बता सकते हैं
इसका रिंग कैसे
Mix.
मतलब फ्रैक्शन
रिंग तो कैसे ध्यान से
Fraction में आना ही नहीं है. Anybody from audience?
4 centimeters.
Yes.
4 centimeters square.
Answer is correct. 4 centimeter square. Very good. This is a very new question for you. And answer is correct. Very good. The side of cube is square 3 centimeter. We have to find object distance is this, focal length is this. We have to find the image distance where the image of the square has been formed. And from this magnification we use HI over HO. We have to find HI. And the area of square is HI square. And we get the value of HI is 2. Then the square of 2 is 4. Very good. Mr. Raj Maurya.
आर्यन मौर्य
Aryan Maurya. Very good. Okay. Mr. Aryan Maurya, this question for you. What is the focal length of concave mirror of radius of curvature 16 centimeter?
8 centimeter.
What?
8 centimeter.
8 centimeter. Anybody? Yes.
-8 centimeter.
Minus 8 centimeter. 8 centimeter is wrong, but minus 8 centimeter is correct. Okay. Why minus 8 centimeter is correct?
Because the concave mirror's focal length is negative.
Yes, because focal length of concave mirror is negative. Okay, table number 6. A concave mirror is a part of hollow sphere of radius 40 centimeter. What will be the focal length of concave mirror? Table number 6.
-20 centimeter.
Minus 20 centimeter. Okay. Table number 7. The image of an object placed at a distance of 30 centimeter on the principal axis of a concave mirror from its pole is found on the object itself. Find focal length, linear magnification of the mirror. Please. How many student has been solved it? Okay. Table number 7.
Focal length is minus 50 centimeter.
Minus
50 centimeter.
50. Means 50.
15.
15. Okay, 15. And magnification?
Sir. Minus 2 centimeter.
Minus
2 centimeter.
2 centimeter. Okay, Mr. Prasan, explain it.
फोकल लेंथ -15 है और मैग्निफिकेशन -1 है.
-1. Okay, very good. Focal length. Question is very simple. This is the object distance, and image is formed itself. Means object placed at center curvature. then magnitude will be 1. But image is real, that's why -1. And focal length is the half of radius of curvature. Okay, for table number 8, an object is placed at a distance of 48 cm in front of a concave mirror of focal length 24 cm. Find position of the image. What will be the nature of the image? How many students have been solved it?
Minus 48 centimeter.
Position of the image.
Yes.
Okay. And what is the nature?
Real and inverted.
Real and inverted. Okay. Nice answer. Very good. Okay. For table number first, an object is placed at a distance of 10 centimeter in front of a convex mirror of radius of greater than 10 centimeter. Where will the image form? Find the magnification. What will be the nature of image, real or virtual?
बच्चे हमको हमें बोलेंगे
Table number 1.
हाँ मिला दीजिए बोला बड़ा अर्जेंट है
How many students have been solved it?
बैठल बनी
Okay.
हाँ हाँ कभी अर्जेंट बड़ा यही से बैठल बनी
Please give reply. Table number 1.
उन्हें कोनो दिक्कत नहीं है बैटरी एक्शन माना को उतना खराब नहीं है जो दूसरा बैटरी है निकाल
3.5 centimeter.
3.5 centimeter. And magnification?
And magnification is 1/4.
1/4.
हाँ भले हम
Anybody?
पैसा जमा कर दे काल
Yes. Kisan.
So image distance is 3.75 and magnification 0.25.
0.25.
So nature virtual.
उनका से बात कर रही ना
Okay.
बात कर
The answer is correct.
So वही ना 1/4.
You have to say 3.5. The position of image.
1/4.
I have to say about where is the image formed. Your answer is 3.5. And the correct answer is
3.75.
3.75. Huh? Okay. For table number 2, when an object is placed at a distance of 40 centimeter from a concave mirror, the size of image is one-fourth that of the object. Calculate distance of image from the mirror. What will be the focal length of the mirror? For table number 2. For table number 2. Okay. Table number 2. Give answer, beta. Time up. Anybody? Yes, Mr. Aman. Oh, sorry. Mr. Komal.
फोकल एंड माइनस 8 यू माइनस 40 डी माइनस 10
Yes. Anybody? Same. Very good. Now, the first round has been completed. Now we go on second round.
Binder.
Okay, table number 3. This is the first question of second round for you. What kind of lens is used in the spectacles of a person suffering from myopia?
Concave lens.
What?
Concave lens.
Concave lens. Anybody?
Same.
Same. Very good. Table number 4. What do you mean by near point?
Near point is that point where when object is put on that point, our lens can focus on the retina without any strain on the eye.
Without any strain.
Without any strain on the eye.
Anybody? Anybody want to define the term near point? Yes.
The point on which our eye can see is, and this point is very nearly, and it is about 25 centimeters.
Yes. And it is also called as least distance of distinct vision. Means this is the minimum distance at which we can separately see the object. Okay. Fourth, table number 5. How many frames per second are to be projected for clear view of motion pictures? This is a new question for you. Yes, Mr. Prasan?
So 24 frames.
24 frames. This is the correct answer. Very good. 24 frames per second. Okay? Nice answer. Very good. Table number 5. Name the 4 common defects of vision.
The 4 common defects of vision are myopia, hypermetropia, heterometropia, presbyopia, and cataract.
Cataract. Okay. Good. Table number 6. Where does our eye form the image of an object?
On retina.
On retina. First, you have to on your mic, then say. Okay, table number 7. Write the nature of image formed by our eye.
Real inverted.
Real and
Inverted.
inverted. Okay. Table number 8. When do you have least strain on the muscle of a normal eye? Give the focusing point.
Least distance to see any object 25 centimeter. Least eye normal eye is 25 centimeter.
Anybody? Yes.
We can see by a normal eye of an object by least strain on our eye muscles of 25 centimeter distant object.
From audience? Yes. Two.
The least strain on the muscle of our normal eye and the strength of the object can be on infinite.
Yes. When object as far distant, then the strength to do in ciliary muscle is least. जब पास की चीजें हम देखते हैं तो स्ट्रेन डिवाइड होता है और जब दूर देखते हैं तो मिनिमम स्ट्रेन. ओके, टेबल नंबर 8. What is dispersion of light?
The splitting of white light into 7 colors called Vibgyor is known as dispersion of light.
No.
By prism.
Okay, say again.
By the help of prism, light is splitting into 7 colors called dispersion of light.
No. From anybody? Yes.
The phenomena of light, when light strike on the prism, then split into the 7 colors. This is phenomena is known as the dispersion of light.
Yes. Okay. Very good. First of all, in definition, you have to contain each and every technical word. Table number 1. What does the acronym WIPGYOR refer to? What does the acronym WIPGYOR refer to? Full form.
Vibgyor is 7 colors, which is formed by white light splitting. When white light split into it, V is violet, I is indigo, B is blue, G is green, Y is yellow, O is orange, and R is red.
Okay. What is the increasing order of wavelength?
The maximum wavelength of Vibgyor is have red.
I want to say increasing order of wavelength.
Lambda R,
Yes.
increasing order, lambda V, lambda I, lambda V, lambda Z, lambda Y, and lambda O, and lambda R.
Okay. Table number 2. A child can read his book easily but unable to read the matter written on the blackboard. Name the defect of eye from which he is suffering. Table number 2.
Myopia.
Myopia. Okay, correct answer. Question number 11 for table number 3. A child sitting in a classroom is not able to read clearly the writing on the blackboard. Name the type of defect from which his eye is suffering.
Myopia.
Myopia. Anybody?
Same.
Same. Okay, give reason.
In myopia, near object is seen clearly, but far object cannot be clearly.
Okay. Table number 4. There are only 2 causes by which myopia has been done.
When eyeball get much longer, eyeball and eye lens become more thicker, so that his focal length get decreases.
Yeah. Means converting power
Increases.
increases. Okay, nice answer. Table number 4. With the help of ray diagram, show how this defect can be remedied. Of course, come. Fast. Do it fast. Okay, anybody? Give reply. Yes, you have to say in mic.
It is not correct.
This diagram is not
Correct.
correct. Okay. She is right. This diagram is not correct because this is diverging lines and this is converging lines. If you want to decrease the converging power of natural lens, eye lens, then we use opposite lens. Okay? And the light ray has to go like that. And after that, light meet at retina. Okay? Okay. Table number 5. Can you correct this? Come. Fast. Only correction. Go. This is very wrong. Very, very wrong. Anybody other? Yes, come. Fast. Yes, direct correction. The correction of defect of vision is very, very important for board examination. Okay. This is the correct answer. Okay. For table number 6. Explain the following terms connected with the eye, ciliary muscles. Ciliary muscles. Anybody? Yes.
Ciliary muscle is a part of the eye which helps in the elongation of eye lens.
Yes. Which helps to elongation of contraction of eyelid. Which also helps to in accommodation. Okay. Table number 7. Accommodation.
Accommodation defined as image of an object at a different distance from eye lens, bring to be the focal length of the retina by the changing of the focal length. This term is known as a counterfactual measure.
Yes. Okay. Very good. Table number 8. Blind spot.
Blind spot is a spot where nerves are connected to muscles through brain. Then where image is not formed, is known as blind spot.
Anybody? Yes. 7. Table number 7.
At the junctions of optical nerves and retina, there are no present of ciliary muscle, ciliary nerves, ciliary muscle. At the point, the image is not formed.
Anybody? Yes, Mr. Prasad.
At the junction of retina and optic nerve, there is no sensory nerve cells are present, so no image will form. And this
Somebody says optic nerve leaves the retina at behind this point. Means there is no nerve cell. That's why signal not passed from there. Okay, our second one has been complete. So thank you so much.
मैडम तुरंत लगना है
बहुत अच्छा लगा।
अब रेडी हो गए, बंद नहीं हुआ है। आप लोग चुप साइलेंट हो। पेज
कैसा
लाइट करो, लाइट सही हो ये होगा वो और ऊपर डिबेट हम लोग का फिजिक्स का खत्म हो चुका है। मैडम को एक बार और फिर बुलाएंगे बच्चों को प्राइज देने के लिए और अपना मोबाइल लेके आइएगा। आज आपके मोबाइल से पैसा भेजा जाएगा। अगर कोई वीडियो बाद में स्टार्ट करें देखना तो जान जाए फिजिक्स का आज डिबेट था। चाकी सर डिबेट ले रहे थे, आपको अपने हिसाब से अपना खींचते रहते हैं साइड कर दो। और 8 बच्चे पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे थे, ये सभी बोर्ड के बच्चे हैं। अगले साल यानी 2024 में 10 का बोर्ड का एग्जाम देंगे और ये कंटिन्यू इसी तरह चलता रहेगा। और पहले हम लोग तो यूं ही पूछा करते थे, इस तरह से बोर्ड नहीं लगाते थे। बोर्ड रहते हुए भी उसके पहले बोर्ड था भी नहीं। मुझे लग रहा है कि बोर्ड से ज़्यादा फायदा हो रहा है क्वेश्चन पूछने में भी, या आपको सॉल्व करना है तो आकर के टीचर को दिखा भी रहेगी ये पिक्चर डायग्राम कैसे बनेगा या मैथ कैसे बनेगा। तो ये और थोड़ा स्मार्ट बना दिया ये पैनल जो है, अपने डिबेट को बड़ा अच्छा बना दिया। कल हम लोगों का डिबेट ही है SST में, उसमें भी इसी तरह से होगा, बहुत मज़ा आएगा। और अभी बता दें उसमें डायग्राम भी बना हुआ आएगा इंडिया का, वर्ल्ड का, और आप बताओगे कि ये क्या है ना, मुंह से कैसे डायग्राम हम बता देंगे। इसलिए भी आप लोग प्रिपेयर रहना कि डायग्राम का सारा करके आना जो भी है, क्योंकि डायग्राम आएगा। हमने बोला है सर को कि आप डालिए। सबसे पहले तो हम ये बताना चाहेंगे कि हम लोग वीकली टेस्ट लेते हैं और 3/10 को हुआ था जिसका रिजल्ट आज बना, और उसका प्राइस हम लोग बांटेंगे पहले। उसमें क्लास 1-2 में आता विनर थे 96.3% से, मगर वो यहाँ अवेलेबल नहीं है। तो जब आएंगे उनको दिया जाएगा। 3 और 4 क्लास से वंस 89% है। यही रहेंगे बेटा। वैभव सिंह आएंगे 5-6 से 88.8%। और क्लास 7-8 से प्रकाश यादव 84.1%। और 9-10 क्लास से प्रशांत विनर है इस बार। और फिजिक्स के डिबेट में किसका सबसे अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस रहा, इसके लिए जाकिर जाफरी सर को एक बार और आमंत्रित करें कि आए। और आप 8 पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे थे उनमें सबसे
Hello. As all of you know about that, about today's debate, the best performer of 8 students is Mr. Prasad also, because he gives more better replies. So Mr. Prasad, today's winner of this debate.
सबको क्या है? आप बाद में आगे बोले सर डिसाइड करेंगे कौन आउट है और कौन नहीं आउट है, तो वो डिसाइड कौन करेगा? एम्पायर करेगा।
₹500 फोन पे होने लगी।
क्या नंबर है? 97083556। थोड़ा यहाँ से पिक्चर कर लें, नजदीक कर लें, भाई ताली बजाओ। 500 विनर। ऐसे तो सब लोग अच्छा दे रहे थे, आर्यन भी बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्म किया, इसमें कोई डाउट नहीं है, लेकिन हु इज बेस्ट, उसमें सबसे बेस्ट कौन है ना? और कभी भी स्टूडेंट इस चीज को डिसाइड नहीं करना, आपके अंदर ओपिनियन, क्योंकि टीचर जस्ट एम्पायर। अब मैच में अगर आप खेल रहे हैं तो आउट है कि नहीं है वो कौन डिसाइड करेगा? एम्पायर करेगा ना, और एम्पायर का निर्णय अंतिम निर्णय होगा। चलिए कल फिर हम लोग SST के साथ मिलते हैं।